Hello, my bestie. How are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm sure all of you had seen a giant bow trend this year. They are beautiful but pricey. Well, I have a budget-friendly option for you. You can make one. I'll show you step-by-step instructions for just a fraction of the cost. If you like to save money and create beautiful things, make sure you press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Let's get started. And stay tuned through the end to see my Christmas tree this year. So the giant bows at Michael's, they were $35 each and still got sold out. Kirkland's was $50. Wayfair even more. So I knew I want to find a budget-friendly option for you. I started looking for some stiff fabric, and what do you know? Wind up at a Dollar Tree wedding section. I see these table runners. It's a great value for $1.25, so I took a whole bunch, but you only need a roll and a half to make one bow. It's 48 by 12, which is quite a lot of fabric for $1.25, right? And it comes in 3 colors, which is great. You have options to coordinate it with your Christmas decor. And here's a barcode if you like to look it up online. I was curious to find out what kind of fabric it is. The back reminds me of the back of the kitchen heavy-duty tablecloth, you know what I mean? And look how much fabric it is. And beautiful glitter front, doesn't shed. I think it's gonna be perfect for our bowl. I fold in 2 ends to the center, and I'm going to use the tape from the inside to tape them together. Put in one end on half of that tape strip. Here you can see that the top of the tape is sticky, and we are going to put the second end on top, make the ends meet. If you are using some other fabric, you want to cut it to this size, 48 by 12. It's perfect size for a bow for a 7.5-foot tree, for example. Next, we are going to pinch and scrunch as you walk your fingers across the bow center, just like this. So the fabric is stiff, so you gotta hold it tight. And when you reach the end, you actually want to finish with that edge up. I realized it's nicer finish when you do that. And when I started, the edge was down, so I'm just gonna switch it. You'll see here. You figure it out. It's not hard at all. So simple. That's why I am your bestie, right? You can always count on me to come up with the easiest method to do things, and I bet it's gonna be the cheapest giant bow tutorial out there ever. I don't think anybody can beat this. And basically what you're gonna do now is just fix it up a little bit, put your hand through each loop, fix those pleats a little bit, and tie it through the center. I use a pipe cleaner. You can use a floral wire, whatever you have on hand. Look at all this sparkle, so beautiful. And it's pretty on the outside and on the inside, which is so important because, you know, you do want it to look nice from every angle, right, when you hang it. And we're gonna need a second roll to make the tails. And let me just see it. When we fold it in half and fold it in half again, look at that. Perfect sized tails. I love it. So again, you're gonna need a second piece, 48 by 12, if you are using a different fabric. What I'm gonna do, actually I lied, 48 by 6 because I'm gonna fold it in half and cut it. And I'm using a knife because that's the quickest, easiest method. Of course, you can measure, mark, and cut with the scissors or roller, but I don't have time for that. Ta-da! We only need one for this bow, so we can save the second piece for a second bow. And we are going to just fold it in half and cut the ends at an angle. The easiest way to do it is just fold over the edge, like this, straight edge. And again, cut with your knife. Oh, wow. I learned something new. The knife doesn't cut through the glitter so easily. So fold it on the other side, cuts like butter. And we are going to also repeat same thing on the other end as well. We are going to fold the tails in half, mark the midpoint, and through there you are going to pinch and scrunch like we did before. And now we just need to put the two parts together, one right next to the other, just like this. And voila, you got your bow. Isn't that amazing? So easy, right? We are going to use the pipe cleaner that's already there to tie the two pieces together. Take the pipe cleaner to the back, tie it back there one more time so it's nice and secure. And we just need a little strip of fabric to cover up that pipe cleaner there. You know that corner we cut off? We could use that. I'm just folding over that corner, but you can cut out a nice rectangular strip and cover up that pipe cleaner. Not so tight. It's better to leave it loose. And then when I turn it over, I realize we're gonna need a tie back there, right? So let's just use a pipe cleaner on top. That's gonna be our tie to attach the bow anywhere you want. And now go ahead, use some glue and seal it all together. I noticed that it opens up a little bit, so I'm just gonna add a dab of hot glue on each end. And that's all it takes, guys. We just got our giant bow done. I hope you like it. I'm waiting to see those bow emojis from you.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room.
I hope you love my giant bow idea as much as I do. I love it so much I want to wear it. Just like that, off the shoulder of my dress. And you know what's the best part? We made it for under $2. Who's gonna beat that? We're gonna add a row and make a second one. And would you like to see this giant bow on top of my tree? Stay tuned. Just twist tie your bow to the top. I like mine diagonally. You can also hang it straight. And look how amazing. I think it's a perfect size for a 7.5-foot tree like mine. Next, I like to insert some picks. And if you never watched me make a tree topper before, I'm gonna link that video for you down in the description box. Next, I'm adding some color coordinating ribbon, like this champagne velvet from Walmart, and reusing some old ribbons like the white fur or champagne glitter, which I actually had to iron out. And if you need some help with adding ribbon to your tree, I'll provide the video links for you in the description box below, okay? And for the detailed decorating instructions, you want to watch this video. In the meantime, here's the look at my fully decorated 2024 Christmas tree with a giant bow like a cherry on top. I hope you like it.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Thanks so much for watching, my besties. I love you. See you next time.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO.